This is kind of what your apartment looks like. So, you know, over here.
Oh my God. This is so nice.
Yep, everything's brand new. And you have
It's mirrored.
All right, guys, here we are at the apartment. So let's take a look. We got our nice backsplash here. You know, the cabinets are nicely stained, and if you noticed, so we tried to keep everything consistent. All the same stain was used throughout all the woods used in here. And as you can see, this panel wall came out absolutely fantastic. I mean, I couldn't have asked for anything better, really. And then as we hop over here, we've got a missing space for the said stove. And here's a brand new fridge. Now let's hop in here and take a look at the bedroom. So, all right, here's the bedroom. As we talked about, here is that special study nook. I mean, I think it came out awesome. We replaced that bathroom with that study nook. So, you know, it really did come out nice. Now, here's the real takeaway right here. If you're changing, could you see yourself changing in there? I mean, come on, that's pretty awesome. I know the light is still hanging. We need to kind of put that in, but we wanted to give that shelving different lighting than the rest of the room because it needs to stand out. Really, that was the takeaway on that. We ended up putting a cooler light that kind of worked out really well. I know, here's the bathroom. We did finish here on the bathroom. It's just a tiny little bathroom, so nothing crazy, but we've got a brand new shower and then brand new toilet, brand new vanity, and yeah, we are good. All right, guys, time to take a look at what the new tenant's gonna think. All right, Tiernan, you here?
Right here.
Hop in. All right. This is kind of what your apartment looks like. So, you know, over here.
Oh my God.
Kitchen area, and we are getting you a stove. It's actually being delivered. You got a nice accent beam over here, you know,
nice.
that you get to enjoy.
Nice.
And
I hang some stuff up in there.
nice new fridge.
God.
We'll hop over here into this room now, and this is your bedroom. And you have a nice big mirror.
Mirrored. Oh my God.
Yeah, you get
oh my God. It's just... What? God, this is so nice.
Yep, everything's brand new, you know?
Oh my
so,
God.
And over here you get a little surprise with a nice desk for you to work on.
Oh my God, that's perfect for my college work.
Yes, there you go, see?
Yay! That is awesome. I'm so excited.
All right,
excited.
And then over here behind door number 1.
We got shelves.
We got extra
Oh
shelves.
my God, we got shelves.
So
oh my
you
God,
can,
yes.
You can put all your stuff when you come home, right here. You know, gives you easy access to everything.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Absolutely.
You got plenty of light in here.
Definitely.
Brand new coat of paint and everything.
It's so nice. I'm so excited.
Oh yeah.
I love it. I love it so much. This is awesome. I get to move in now?
Yes, yes, yes. All right.